What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Same Energy by the Kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll disco kick your throat in half. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you can play this on an electric guitar or an acoustic guitar, totally up to you. The original song, I believe, is played on electric. It's got a few different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be a D minor. You're going to bar the 5th fret starting on the A string. You don't have to worry about this low E string. Bar the entire 5th fret starting on the A. Put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B. From there, we're going to go to a G minor all the way down here on the 10th fret. Bar that with your index finger. It's the same exact formation. You're just sliding it down to 10, 12, 12, and 11. So bar 10, ring finger on D on 12, pinky finger on G on 12, middle finger on 11 on B. Next is a B flat major bar chord. Bar the entire 6th fret, and this time you are barring that low E string. You're going to bar the entire 6th fret, ring finger on 8 on A, pinky finger on 8 on D, middle finger on 7 on G. Then your final chord is an A major bar chord. Slide this entire formation down 1 fret where you're barring 5 with your index finger. Ring finger is on A on 7, pinky finger is on D on 7, and your middle finger is on 6 on G. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Now the easiest strumming pattern here is going to be down up on D minor, up up on G minor, down up on B flat, up up on A. So that will look like down up, up up, down up, up up. Now to play the exact way they're playing in the song, it's that same strumming pattern. They're just adding muted down and up strums in between the chords. So you're gonna do the same thing with the D minor, down up, and then you're gonna mute. Just hold the strings. Don't press down. Just hold them so they're muted. And you're gonna go down up, down up, down, up, down up, down up, down, down up, down up, down up, down, up, down up, down up, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.